Want to speak real Hindi from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at HindiPod101.com.
10 questions you should know how to answer in Hindi. The most commonly asked questions in Hindi we are going to learn today.
आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name?
So to begin with, the first question is आपका नाम क्या है? आपका नाम क्या है? Which means what is your name? आपका नाम क्या है? And to answer this question, we can answer it like मेरा नाम अनुज खुराना है. My name is Anuj Khurana.
आप कैसे हैं? How are you?
So the next question is आप कैसे हैं? आप कैसे हैं? How are you? And we can answer this question like मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. I'm absolutely fine. So the question was आप कैसे हैं?
आप कहाँ से हो? Where are you from?
So the next question is आप कहाँ से हैं? आप कहाँ से हैं? Which means where are you from? आप कहाँ से हैं? We can answer it like I am from Mumbai. मैं मुंबई से हूँ. आप कहाँ से हैं? To answer, I am from Mumbai.
आपका जन्मदिन कब है? When is your birthday?
Moving on to our next question, which is आपका जन्मदिन कब होता है? When is your birthday? आपका जन्मदिन कब होता है? You can answer it like my birthday is on 1st January. मेरा जन्मदिन 1st जनवरी को होता है.
आप कहाँ रहते हैं? Where do you live?
आप कहाँ रहते हैं? आप कहाँ रहते हैं? Where do you live? To answer this, we can answer it like I live in India. मैं इंडिया में रहता हूँ. आप कहाँ पर रहते हैं? Which means where do you live?
तुम कहाँ काम करते हो? Where do you work?
Another question which comes up is आप कहाँ पर काम करते हैं? आप कहाँ पर काम करते हैं? To answer this, wherever we work, we can just answer it like I work at XYZ office. मैं XYZ ऑफिस में काम करता हूँ. आप कहाँ पर काम करते हैं?
आपने हिंदी कहाँ से सीखी? Where did you learn Hindi from?
Okay, so the next question is आपने हिंदी कहाँ से सीखी? आपने हिंदी कहाँ से सीखी? From where have you learned Hindi? Well, I think to answer this, it's quite simple. You can answer it like मैंने हिंदी hindipod101.com से सीखी है. I've learned Hindi from hindipod101.com. आपने हिंदी कहाँ से सीखी? Which means from where you have learned Hindi.
क्या आपने खाना खा लिया है? Have you eaten already?
Okay. So the next question is क्या आपने खाना खा लिया है? क्या आपने खाना खा लिया है? Have you eaten your food? क्या आपने खाना खा लिया है? So you can answer it like yes, I just ate my food. जी हाँ, मैंने बस अभी अपना खाना खत्म किया है.
क्या आपको भारतीय खाना पसंद है? Do you like Indian food?
Next question you might come across is क्या आपको भारतीय खाना पसंद है? Do you like Indian food? Well, to answer this, my answer will be quite simple. I just love Indian food, so I can just simply answer मुझे भारतीय खाना बहुत पसंद है. I just love Indian food.
क्या आप कभी भारत गए हैं? Have you ever been to India?
So the next question which a lot of Hindi speaking people might ask you, क्या आप कभी भारत गए हैं? क्या आप कभी भारत गए हैं? Have you ever visited India? To answer this, you can just simply say yes or no, however you feel. So the yes means ha, no means no, and accordingly you can answer this question. So 10 sentences which you never want to hear. So let's begin. आपका एक बाल सफेद है. You have a gray hair. आपका एक बाल सफेद है. You have a gray hair. Well, there's nothing scary about this because with age, with the passage of time, they're gonna come. So there's nothing to fear about gray hair, I believe. मैंने बोला था. I told you. मैंने बोला था. मैंने बोला था. Which means I told you. So this can be taken into the context that I've already warned you not to do something and unfortunately some bad thing has happened. So it can be taken in that context. हम आपको नौकरी से निकाल रहे हैं. You are fired. Now the next sentence is हम आपको नौकरी से निकाल रहे हैं, which means you are fired. This is scary now. I hope no one gets to hear this sentence from anyone. I wish everyone all the best for that. तुम्हारी नहीं, मेरी वजह से. It's not because of you, it's because of me. Moving on to the next sentence, which is तुम्हारी नहीं, मेरी वजह से. It's not because of you, it's because of me. अपना बायोडाटा भेजने के लिए धन्यवाद, लेकिन ये पोजीशन अब भर चुकी है. Thank you so much for sending your resume. Unfortunately, this position has been filled. अपना बायोडाटा भेजने के लिए धन्यवाद, लेकिन ये पोजीशन अब भर चुकी है. Thank you so much for sending your resume. Unfortunately, this position has been filled. But never mind, there are many other options available for you. So just keep applying. Don't feel sad about it. हमें दूसरों का साथ ढूंढना चाहिए. We should see other people. Moving on to the next sentence, which is हमें दूसरों का साथ ढूंढना चाहिए. We should see other people. हमें दूसरों का साथ ढूंढना चाहिए. अभी मेरे पास आपके पैसे नहीं हैं. As of now, I do not have your money. So our next sentence is अभी मेरे पास आपके पैसे नहीं हैं. As of now, I do not have your money. Well, we amongst friends keep on giving money to each other and I use this sentence a lot. माफ कीजिए, मैं भूल गया. Forgive me, I forgot. So next sentence is माफ कीजिए, मैं भूल गया. Forgive me, I forgot. Just imagine you have asked something from your friends and he's showing up to you and he didn't get the stuff which you asked for. So at that time, people use this sentence a lot. माफ कीजिए, मैं भूल गया. यह पूरा गलत है. This is all wrong. यह पूरा गलत है. Which means this is all wrong. Just imagine you have put all your hard work to finish some project and when you're showing it up, the person is saying that it's completely wrong. यह पूरा गलत है. आगे सड़क बंद है, आपको दूसरे रास्ते से जाना पड़ेगा. The road is closed, you have to go around. आगे सड़क बंद है, आपको दूसरे रास्ते से जाना पड़ेगा. The road is closed, you have to go around. Just imagine you're getting late for some meeting or maybe for a party and you get to hear this. 10 phrases, 10 sentences which you can use to amaze a native speaker. So let's begin. धन्यवाद, लेकिन मैं वास्तव में एक देशी वक्ता नहीं हूं. Thank you, but actually I am not a native speaker. धन्यवाद, लेकिन मैं वास्तव में एक देशी वक्ता नहीं हूं. Thank you, but actually I am not a native speaker. मैं 10 सालों से हिंदी सीख रहा हूं. I've been learning Hindi for 10 years now. मैं 10 सालों से हिंदी सीख रहा हूं. I've been learning Hindi for 10 years now. मैं 3 सालों में एक देशी वक्ता की तरह हिंदी बोल पाऊंगा. I'll be able to speak Hindi like a native speaker in 3 years. मैं 3 सालों में एक देशी वक्ता की तरह हिंदी बोल पाऊंगा. I'll be able to speak Hindi like a native speaker in 3 years. Well, that's quite a good speed if you can speak like a native speaker in 3 years. Nothing like that. मैं खुद से ही हिंदी सीख रहा हूँ. I'm learning Hindi by my own. मैं खुद से ही हिंदी सीख रहा हूँ. I'm learning Hindi by my own. Well, you have HindiPod101.com. You can learn Hindi quite quickly from there too. मैं उपशीर्षकों के बिना भी एक हिंदी फिल्म देख सकता हूँ. I can watch a Hindi film without the subtitles. मैं उपशीर्षकों के बिना भी एक हिंदी फिल्म देख सकता हूँ. I can watch a Hindi film without the subtitles. Well, I'm sure you all must be aware of Bollywood. These films are a lot of drama, a lot of romance, and if you're good at Hindi, you can enjoy Bollywood films. आपने जो कहा मैं पूरा समझ गया हूँ. I've understood everything you have said. आपने जो कहा मैं पूरा समझ गया हूँ. I've understood everything you have said. मैं लगभग 50 नए हिंदी के शब्द एक दिन में याद कर सकता हूँ. I can learn 50 new Hindi words in a day. मैं लगभग 50 नए हिंदी के शब्द एक दिन में याद कर सकता हूँ. I can learn 50 new Hindi words in a day. Well, trust me, if you can do so, you can quickly become a fluent Hindi speaker. हिंदी के अलावा मैं और भी कई भाषाओं में बात कर सकता हूँ. I can speak several other languages apart from Hindi. हिंदी के अलावा मैं और भी कई भाषाओं में बात कर सकता हूँ. I can speak several other languages apart from Hindi. Well, if you can do so, trust me, you are very talented because I can just speak Hindi and English. मैं खुद हिंदी पढ़ और लिख सकता हूँ. I can write and read Hindi on my own. Our next sentence is मैं खुद हिंदी पढ़ और लिख सकता हूँ. I can write and read Hindi on my own. मैं कभी कभी हिंदी कविता लिखता हूँ. At times I write Hindi poems. Well, if you're doing that, it's just amazing. If you're learning a language and writing poems and that, nothing better than that. मैं कभी कभी हिंदी कविता लिखता हूँ. At times I write Hindi poems.
When learning a new language, we sometimes have a hard time with things like procrastination, discouragement, or failure. But don't panic. With a good strategy, you'll be able to overcome these difficulties. Are you ready to discover the 4 habits of successful learners? Number 1, optimize your time. When learning a language, it's important to dedicate time to your studies regularly, even if sometimes it's difficult. You're busy with school, work, family, or friends, but you can spread out your learning throughout the day. Study whenever you have small gaps of time in your busy schedule. This can be when you're on the metro, on your lunch break, or while you're exercising. Our podcast learning format fits perfectly into your tight schedule. Number 2, consistency with your chosen method. There are a lot of options when it comes to courses and learning materials. Switching from one method to another can confuse you and disrupt your progress. Focusing on one learning method will make a difference. Our method has been created and optimized by real teachers, so you can stick to it with confidence. Number 3, use your language background. Many languages share some commonalities. You can find words that look or sound similar, or even share the same grammar structure. A little bit of language background will give you an edge while learning. Number 4, study continuously. People are excited when they start learning a new language. The enthusiasm usually lasts until the first roadblock. This can lead to discouragement and procrastination. But don't burn yourself out. Learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't try to learn it all at once. Break things down into more digestible chunks. Learning step by step might feel slow, but it's an efficient way to learn a language. With patience, motivation, and good resources, you'll master the language. Remember, you can't learn a language overnight, but with motivation and these daily lessons, you'll be on the road to fluency. Give it a try now. Sign up for your account. Just click the link in the description. Want to finally start speaking in your target language? In this guide, you'll discover the top 7 ways to practice speaking on your own with our lessons. Let's begin. Number 1, shadowing. Shadowing is a proven learning technique where all you do is repeat what you hear in order to practice speaking. So access any audio or video lesson on the site and press the play button to start. Then, as you listen or watch, just repeat the conversations. Or, even easier, read along out loud with the dialogue section. The script is right there in front of you. With our lessons, you can master entire conversations, just like that. Number 2, read out loud. I just mentioned it, but reading out loud is another powerful tactic and deserves its own mention. With every lesson, you get written transcripts and translations. So, as you play the lesson, read the dialogue out loud as you hear it. Why? By reading out loud, you're also practicing your speaking skills. You can do this with the lesson notes, the lesson transcript, or the dialogue tool. With the dialogue tool, you can listen to each line again and again, and repeat out loud until you master them all. Number 3, speed up your reading to speed up your speaking. Being able to speak without thinking is a sign of language mastery. If you're talking to a native and can respond quickly, they'll assume that you're fairly fluent. How can you do this? When you read out loud, try increasing your speed a little bit every time. So, start by reading with the dialogue tool. If you're like most learners, you'll read the first line slowly. That's because you're still getting used to the words, which is okay. Reread it. On your second try, you know most of the words, and you'll read a little faster. Reread it again. On your third try, you'll be even faster, at a native speaker's speed. And being able to read these phrases out loud and fast will help you speak fast. Number 4, record and compare yourself with native speakers. In order to sound like a native speaker, you must imitate native speakers. So here's how. Access the voice recorder, which is in the Dialogue Study tool in every lesson. Click on the microphone icon. Listen to the native speaker's audio, and then record yourself. You can then compare the 2 recordings side by side, and practice and try again and again until you perfect your pronunciation. Number 5, get feedback from our Premium Plus teacher. If you're learning by yourself and don't have access to real teachers, then you can always get feedback from our Premium Plus teachers. With the My Teacher tool, you can record yourself speaking and send the audio file to the teacher. They'll review it and tell you what to improve and how. That's it. Number 6, level up your speaking with Premium Plus assignments. With Premium Plus, you can also get assignments that cover reading, writing, listening, and even speaking from your teacher. These assignments can be tailored to your goals and needs. You get a new one every week, or anytime you're ready for a new one. Number 7, get even more lessons in the lesson library. If you want even more lessons on speaking and conversations, visit our lesson library and under Category, choose Conversation. You'll get all of the pathways and lessons that are focused on speaking. If you enjoyed these tips, hit the like button, share it with anyone who's trying to learn a language, and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos every week. And if you're ready to finally learn language the fast, fun, and easy way, and start speaking from your very first lesson, get our complete learning program. Sign up for your free lifetime account right now. Click the link in the description. I'll see you next time. Bye! Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.